Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest updates, exclusive unveilings, and in-depth reviews of the most exciting cars in the world. If you're passionate about legendary machines making a comeback with modern performance, you're in for a real treat today. We're diving into a car that has been the heart and soul of American muscle for decades. The Mustang lineup has always pushed boundaries, and now Ford has done it again. Get ready, because the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-e has officially been unveiled, and it's here to redefine what performance means for a new generation. The Mach-e badge has always been special in the Mustang family. Originally introduced in 1969, the Mach-e wasn't just another trim level, it was a high-performance package that blended style, muscle, and innovation. Over the years, it became an icon that enthusiasts adored, a car that symbolized speed, dominance, and heritage. Now, Ford has resurrected the Mach-e for 2026, giving it a complete transformation that stays true to its roots while embracing everything modern technology has to offer. From the very first look, the design of the 2026 Mustang Mach-e makes a bold statement. The exterior combines classic Mustang cues with futuristic touches that make it stand out even in a world full of aggressive sports cars. Up front, the grille is wide and menacing, proudly carrying the Mustang emblem, while aerodynamic intakes and a functional hood scoop give it that unmistakable Mach-e presence. The LED headlights are slim and sharp, perfectly complementing the sculpted lines that run along the body. The stance is lower, wider, and more aggressive than before, with muscular fenders wrapping around large performance wheels. At the rear, quad exhaust tips, a sculpted diffuser, and an active spoiler create a look that's both modern and faithful to Mustang tradition. Step inside, and the Mach-e continues to impress. The cabin has been designed with the driver in mind, blending retro inspiration with high-tech luxury. The sport bucket seats are wrapped in premium leather with Mach-e badging stitched into the headrests, while Alcantara and carbon fiber accents bring a race-inspired atmosphere. The digital cockpit is fully customizable, allowing drivers to choose between classic-inspired gauges or modern performance readouts like G-force tracking, lap times, and horsepower delivery. The center console is dominated by a massive infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with voice commands, wireless connectivity, and over-the-air updates. Every detail feels premium, yet purposeful, ensuring the Mach-e is just as enjoyable on a daily drive as it is on the track. But the soul of the Mach-e has always been under the hood, and the 2026 version doesn't disappoint. Ford has equipped this new model with a re-engineered 5.4-liter naturally aspirated V8 that produces more than 550 horsepower, delivering the raw power and sound that Mustang fans crave. For those looking for even more, there's a performance package option that boosts power past 600 horsepower with advanced tuning and lightweight materials. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual for purists who love the thrill of rowing, their own gears, or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic for maximum performance and efficiency. This makes the Mach-e a car that can satisfy both old-school enthusiasts and modern drivers alike. Handling is another area where Ford has elevated the Mach-e. Equipped with adaptive suspension, performance coilovers, and a wider track, it offers precision and control on any road. Selectable drive modes allow you to tailor the car's personality, switching from comfort cruising to track-ready aggression at the push of a button. Brembo brakes provide incredible stopping power, while the aerodynamic upgrades ensure stability at high speeds. This isn't just a car built for straight-line dominance. It's engineered to handle curves, tracks, and daily roads with equal confidence. Safety and driver assistance technology are also part of the package. The 2026 Mach-e includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features bring peace of mind, making the car as practical as it is exhilarating. Ford has shown that a true muscle car can also embrace modern safety without compromising its performance spirit. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but industry experts expect the Mach-e to sit above the standard Mustang GT and below the Shelby lineup, making it the perfect middle ground for enthusiasts seeking something truly special. This ensures that while it's an exclusive performance model, it remains more accessible than some of the ultra-limited editions in the Mustang family. The unveiling of the 2026 Mustang Mach-E is more than just the release of another performance car. It's Ford's way of honoring its heritage while proving that muscle cars still have a strong future. With its aggressive design, powerful V8, cutting-edge technology, and refined handling, the new Mach-E is shaping up to be a fan favorite, ready to carry the Mustang legacy into the next era. So, what do you think about the all-new 2026 Mach-E? Did Ford nail the balance between tradition and innovation, or do you think they should have taken a different path? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because we'd love to hear from you. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the next generation Ford Mustang Mach-E, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue bringing you more exclusive reviews, iconic revivals, and the latest from the world of performance cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with another legendary machine reborn for a new era.